Hey, what's happening, everybody? I'm super excited to be here and I welcome you. This is the Mpc Pajama Crew. I'm excited about this opportunity. This is for people that's ready to kick back at home with their pajamas on, like I'm doing right now. I have my pajamas, I have my fruit, I have my coffee. I'm just relaxing, guys, and I've already made about $500 today by simply bringing in members into this amazing organization. What we're doing is in this community, we're kick back relaxing, guys. We know that the COVID-19 pandemic has had a great impact on jobs as well as removing the kids from school, having them at home. That means that a parent has to be there with them. So what we've done is we've created our own way to make money over here with the Money Power Club. This thing is amazing. I've never seen anything like it. The minute that we put it out, it took off because a lot of people are working from home. And so this is something that, can help you just in case you're in need of a little extra income, just in case you're in need of a way to make money to cover those bills. This is it, guys. This is something that anyone can do. Now, understand something over here. We're not buying and selling and building teams. We're not doing none of that. The only thing that we're doing is offering this great opportunity for people just like you to come in, kick back, relax, make 500, 1,000, even more per week based upon how many people you connect with. It's all about those connections. That's what we're doing. We're networking. We're networking with other people that are some forced to stay at home, others that choose to stay at home and make their money. This is it. Now let's dive right in so I can get you educated on this and you can get out of here and start making $500, $1,000 today. Like I said, I've only been in for a couple of days because we launched this out last week. And today alone, I've already made $500, guys, by simply inviting people in. There's no telling how far this thing can take you if you just simply get over here and apply yourself. So let's take a look at some things so that you too can see how easy it is to make money over here with this great network. I want to welcome you to the Mpc Pajama Crew. The Money Power Club Pajama Crew is a community of like-minded people who are securing a great income, working right from their homes in their PJs, guys, like I'm doing right now. We earn unlimited daily commissions by simply finding other people, right, that are unemployed, underemployed, stay-at-home moms and dads, seniors and college students who would like to simply stay home and make money. That's it. Just sit back at home, couple of clicks of the mouse or your cell phone because this is a mobile opportunity. All you need is a smartphone or a laptop. Sorry about that. So now the COVID-19 impact. Due to the impact that the coronavirus has had on many families, some are finding it hard to maintain financially. The loss of jobs due to the company closings, as well as schools now forcing children to learn from home, has caused many parents to find other sources of income. The MPC Pajama Crew, that's us guys, we're helping many to overcome the challenges brought about by COVID-19 by providing them with a simple path to daily instant income. When I say instant, I mean instant because the minute someone joined me today, they said they wanted to be a part of this amazing thing. They jumped in. I got paid instantly, man, straight to my Cash App. Now, this is my goal. This is the goal that we have over here. Our goal is to show people that that there is a way to make a substantial amount of money by simply working from home and networking with others. By connecting with other great people just like yourself, who would also like to create a powerful stream of income working from the comforts of their home is the ultimate key to success during this global pandemic. And this is absolutely true. Now, let's look at this. We do not, this is an important section because a lot of people hate to do some of these things anyway. So we're going to start off by telling you we do not buy anything. We do not sell anything. We do not build teams. That is not what this is about. And we do not do matrix systems. So you're not jumping from one board or one avenue to the next. Okay. The only thing that we do is share this opportunity with other people that's ready to work from home, kick back, relax, nothing hard about it, and make as much money as you like. Say, for instance, you want to get up today and you want to make 500 bucks. You just simply get up and go online, send a couple of messages to a couple of people, say, hey, how would you like to work from home, making a couple $100 every day or every week? When they say, yeah, sure, show me how, you just bring them to this pretty cool video, I think, since I'm the one doing it. You bring them to this video, show them me explaining this thing, and when they get in, you get paid. That is it. That is it. Now, how it works. This is very important to pay attention to this particular section. The Money Power Club has made this the easiest and fastest way to earn $1,000 per week or even more by simply allowing our club members to get paid by networking with others. How about that? How would you like to just network with other people and get paid? Well, you can do that. Our members are not held back from earning due to the need for buying and then selling of products or services. We're not asking you to buy anything, sell anything, none of that craziness because a lot of people don't want to do it. Realistically speaking, during this global pandemic, people are not interested in buying or selling anything. Instead, they are seeking ways to make money almost effortlessly. Yes, guys, almost effortless. We don't want you to be over here struggling. We want you to kick back, relax in your PJs, have that great cup of coffee, and just make money by networking with others. The Npc Pajama Crew is a membership earning community. This means that we earn simply by sharing our club's memberships with others. Let's take a look at our membership packages and how you can earn from them. We start off with the silver. Everyone comes through the front door grabbing that great silver package. The Mpc Pajama Crew Silver membership is the starting point for all new members. Each new member is required to pay a one-time, just one-time out of pocket, $100 plus a small $10 administrative fee to get started. You never pay anything else. You're here absolutely free at that point. This low fee makes it easy for each new member to jump right in and start earning commissions today, immediately. You don't have to wait. Jump in, start making money today. By a member sharing the silver membership with only 5 people, and I'm going to show you this down in the graph, right? Per week is an extra $500 going directly into that member's account. Imagine that, guys. That's a quick 500 doing absolutely nothing. The Mpc Pajama Crew, let's look at our gold membership. This membership is that much needed step up in earnings that we are also desperately seeking right about now. Each member will upgrade, right? Each member upgrades into this $250 level, generally from the income obtained while on that silver membership level. So while you're collecting that money over in the silver, you're going to take some of that and upgrade into the next level, which is this gold. The gold membership is obtained by silver members seeking to increase their income by upgrading. The gold membership is a non-stop $250 going directly into a member's account while still receiving unlimited $100 new membership payments. Now you're going to be getting paid on the 100, and as the people come in on the 100, they want to upgrade to the 250. They are going to pay you 250 to upgrade. What if you bring in 5 people, 10 people? This money is unlimited, guys. When I tell you unlimited, it is unlimited. Let's take a look at our platinum. This is our big boy on the block, and you're going to see why in a moment. The Npc Pajama Crew $1,000 platinum membership is our club's premium payout level. This level paves the path to pure financial freedom in record-breaking time. This level is obtained by those who have accumulated funds from the 2 lower levels, which is the silver and the gold, and wish to go up. When you go up, you're going to hit those marks and you are going to get paid. A member could possibly see 5,000, 10,000, even more weekly by simply putting forth a minimum effort. You don't have to do any work over here, no hard work at all, right? All you do is bring in these memberships, and I tell you, they're going to pile in when they see how easy this is, and you're going to get paid. Right, now let's get this pajama money, guys. We're going to take a look at this graph that's been created to show you how you can do this in a week. This can be a week or two. It doesn't matter. It's up to you how many people you want to talk to. So like we say, you're going to come in with 110 and everybody's going to follow you. The $10, the administrative fee, the $100 goes to that sponsor. If you're that sponsor, you're going to be the one receiving all of this money. So let's take a look at our graph. This is our membership level, right? We're going to move from the left to the right. These are our membership levels: silver, gold, and of course that premium platinum. These are those package costs: 100, 250, 1,000. These are the members. We're going to start off with, just for illustration purposes only, we're going to use the number 5. You could come in with way more than that, but I'm going to use 5 for an illustration just in case, you want to see how this thing works step by step and at a minimum, okay? Over here we have our member compensation. This is how much you receive time those members, time that package of costs, okay? So like right here, you see the 5 members time the 100, that give you the 500, so forth with the other 2 levels, okay? Now, this is our package upgrade. Like I say, the upgrade is 250 and 1,000. You will see that illustrated right here. And this is your compensation. This is what you walk away with after each upgrade. Let's move from the left to the right and get this thing done. Coming in at a silver, you're going to bring in 5 members. If you just look for 5 people that want to work from home, doing absolutely nothing, that's willing to make a small one-time investment, these are the numbers you will see. Those 5 people coming in at $100 that package costs, that's going to give you $500 instantly into your account. Now, what you're going to do before you head out and go to the store and spend it all, you're going to upgrade for $250 and take possession. You want to take possession of that gold membership package. That will leave you $250, so you can still run to the store and take care of some things or pay a couple bills, right? So you have $250 left over after they come in at that $100 times the 5 people, giving you $500. Now let's look at that gold membership. Now you've upgraded into that $250 package. Your 5 people see that as a plus. They're going to follow you because duplication is the key. When they follow you duplicating your efforts time, those 5 people in that $250, that's going to give you $1,250, $1,250 in your account. Now what you're going to do, same thing you did previously, you're going to upgrade into that $1,000 package, that platinum. You want to hit that premium platinum as soon as you can, and I'm going to show you why. When you hit that premium platinum, that's going to leave you another $250. If you look at these two amounts over here in spillover, you've already did $500 in spillover. That's not bad. This can be done in one day, guys, one day, okay, if you really apply yourself. So now, going into that premium platinum package at 1,000, and with your team members duplicating your efforts, because duplication is the key, time those 5 great members at 1,000 gives you $5,000. But this is where it gets interesting. Everything here is a one-time payment. So you never have to pay a membership fee. You never have to pay for the packages again. You only pay for them one time, right? You come in on a membership one time, it's yours for life. That means that after you've accumulated that $5,000 from that premium platinum, nothing goes out. That 5,000 stays in your bank account. When you add the previous 250 from the gold and the silver, that gives you a total of $5,500. You guys can do this every week. How would you like to see 5,500 coming in every week? I know they got it. What is this? 55,000. We're going to forgive them for that. That is actually 5,500, guys. This is something that anyone can do. So I want you to really get into this. I want you to really pay attention to how you can make money over here. Get started, get involved, drop that $110, and then all you're doing is this. And this is super simple during this time of this global pandemic. Find other people that just want to work from home. That's it. If you want to work from home, jump in over here. If you somebody that's tired of working, right, you could actually quit your job doing this if there's no pension involved. This is something that you can do, man, every week, 5,500 coming into your account. So this is something that I would really like to see everybody online doing because it can seriously change your life. This is your man Kaschmiere. I'm super excited about this new opportunity that we have over here at Mpc. We use Mpc to create a lot of different spin-off programs. I believe that this one here is going to be the best because it helps people now to stay home with the children while they do their school or whatever and make money. You can make money all day long. This is your man Kaschmiere Rich, and I would like to welcome you to the Mpc Pajama Crew. You have a great day, and I will see you on the inside. Take care.